In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get this macOS dock on your Windows computer. This is what your Windows dock look like after end of this video, and this dock doesn't consume much resources. Let's start. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to get that macOS dock on your Windows computer. It's completely free. You can use instead of dock finder, but dock finder is not available for free. You have to pay for it, so I'll show you that how to get that macOS look completely free. First we have to install this software called Nexus. Install this Nexus dock. And then click on yes. And uncheck this box and then click on finish. Now we have to go to this macOS dock folder, and first we have to go to this theme folder and copy this theme file, and go to documents and go to step, go to Nexus and go to background directory and paste it here. And now again go to this dock folder and copy these icons and go to C drive and paste it here. And now double click to run Nexus dock. Okay, so before we apply the dock and theme, we have to hide this taskbar. So right click on taskbar and go to taskbar settings, and then go to taskbar behavior and click on automatically hide taskbar. And now click on this Nexus icon and then go to advanced tab and click on restore, and go to desktop and go to this folder, and here you can see this dock backup file. Just select that backup file and click on apply and then OK, and that's it. If you want to add more icons, it's easy to add. Just go to this icon folder and select which apps or icon you want to add. Just drag the app you want to add on your dock, just drag and drop into the dock, and then we have to replace the icon. Select the icon and drag and drop to the apps, and that's it. If you want more icons, I'll give the link in the description box, you can check out there. And that's it. This is how you can get that macOS dock on your Windows computer. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.